Hello everybody, it's standard third, subject is science. Let's start the reason for your yearly examination. Question number, as you already know that question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have completed. Now let's start question number 5 and 6. Question number 5, very short question answers. It will be for 8 marks. As you know, total there are 24 question answers. If you want to get 8 out of 8, then you have to make it ready. This 24 very short question answers. Okay. So let's start. First number, name to omnivorous. Answer is crow, human. Answer is crow, human. Second number, name to animals that carry load for us. Answer is horse, mule. Answer is horse, mule. Third number, name an animal that liquids that take in liquid food. Dear students, in third number, name an animal only. Okay. As please cancel. As please cancel. Name an animal that takes liquid food. Answer is mosquito. Answer is mosquito. Fourth number, what will a kitten grow into? So the answer is cat. Answer is cat. Fifth number, name any two animals that give birth to their young ones. So the answer is cat, cow. Sixth number, what will a baby boy grow into? So the answer is man. Seven number, name one plant whose flowers are eaten as food. Answer is cauliflower. Answer is cauliflower. Eight number, name two stems that we eat. Answer is potato, ginger. Nine number, how many sense organs are present in our body? Answer is 5. Answer is 5. 10 number, name the organ system that helps us digest the food. Answer is digestive system. Answer is digestive system. 11 number, name one unit of measurement of length. Answer is meter. 12 number, how many grams make a kilogram? Answer is 1000. Answer is 1000 gram. 13 number, write 3 units for measuring unit. Answer is second, minute, hour. 14 number, name a natural luminous object. Answer is the sun. 15 number, give an example of unpleasant sound. Answer is barking of dog. Barking of dog. 16 number, name the gas that we breathe out. Answer is carbon dioxide. 17 number, what do we call moving air? Answer is wind. 18 number, which phase of the moon is observed when it is in between the earth and sun? Answer is new moon. Answer is new moon. 19 number, a curd chewing animal. Answer is goat. 20 number, name a carnivore other than the squirrel. Answer is rabbit. 21 number, name one domestic animal. Answer is cow. 22 number, name a plant that closes its leaf when touched. Answer is touch me not plant. 23 number, name the gas that we breathe in. Answer is oxygen. 24 number, name the instrument used to measure the body temperature of a person. Answer is thermometer. Now let's start question number 6, short answer questions. It will be for 10 marks. Total there are 15 question answers. If you want to get 10 out of 10, then you have to make it ready 15 question answers. From these any 5 can come. So you have to make it all ready. Okay, 15 ready. So let's start. Question number 6, short answer questions. First, what are carnivores? So the answer is animals that have very sharp front teeth for cutting their food and which gnaw their food are called carnivores. Rabbits, rats and squirrels are carnivores. Second number, what are the tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe called? So the answer is stomata. Answer is stomata are tiny holes present in the leaves of the plant. Plants breathe through these stomata. Third number, what is shoot? So the answer is the part of the plant that remains above the ground is called shoot. Fourth number, what is the function of heart? So the answer is the heart pumps blood to the parts of all the body. What's the answer? The heart pumps the blood to all the parts of body. 5 number, name any two organs that work together. Answer is bones and muscles. Answer is bones and muscles that works together. 6 number, what is mass? So the answer is mass is the measurement of how heavy or light an object is. 7 number, what is capacity? So the answer is capacity is the quantity. Capacity is the quantity of a liquid which a vessel can hold. 8 number, what is force? So the answer is a push or a pull applied on a body is called force. 9 number, what is noise? So the answer is loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. 10 number, what is friction? Answer is friction is a special force that slow down and the movement of the object. 11 number, what is a cloudy? What is a cloudy day? Why the cloudy day is cooler than the sunny day? So the answer is a cloudy day is cooler than sunny day because on a cloudy day sun rays cannot reach us directly. 12 number, what is a storm? So the answer is wind blowing at a very high speed along with the thunder, lightning and rain is called storm. 13 number, what are craters? So the answer is craters are huge holes on the surface of the moon. 14 number, what is meant by rotation of the earth? So the answer is the spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and nights on the earth. 15 number, what is the mountain? So the answer is very high land is called mountain. So dear students, here we have completed our whole practice paper, question number 5 and 6. You just make it right. You just write it down one time in your notebook and try to make it ready. Thank you.